I'm Judy Williams, and I practice family law, focusing on peaceful solutions, helping people divide their assets and debts, come up with parenting plans, but doing it in a peaceful way. I also do guardianships and step-parent adoptions. About 5 years ago, I decided to eliminate the litigation part of my practice. I had had one too many sleepless nights worrying about clients, worrying about what would happen in court the next day, hassling with opposing counsel when they were not giving us the information we needed, playing games, and just generally making life miserable for my clients. So it was a difficult decision because, of course, litigation is where the money is, and I was concerned with whether a practice solely based upon peaceful solutions was going to be viable or not. And I took the plunge, decided to take the road less traveled and do it. I believe that when children come into this world, they deserve the very happiest, calmest life that can be given to them. And so often, children become the pawns in a divorce situation where the mom and dad are so angry with each other or so hurt by things that have been done or said that the children end up being the ones that really are harmed by the divorce process. So I believe that anything that I can do or other people can do, whether it's ministers or counselors or friends, but all of us can form a support group to help people see that the peaceful way to divorce is what's best for the children and what's best for the family.